What is up, guys? It's Stardust here, and today I'm going to be 4-starring my Kakuzu in Naruto Online. I got lucky enough in Mega Carnival to get a 50% discount voucher, so I'm gonna be buying 95 the Explosion Heart gift packs and 4-star them. I have 127 advanced experiment vials and 118 protections. I'm hoping that I get somewhat lucky, and I mostly just want his passive +1, and then mostly just his passives that I want. But let's 4-star him. Here we go. 95. Holy! Let me spend these points real quick. Just gonna get Ninja Assist optional packs, work on my next flag. Jeez. Alright, let's go. Sorry, Data, but Kakuzu, here I come. Make sure I'm recorded before I do this. Alright. 0 coupons. So much for saving for Fuku, but here we go. I'm hoping that I can get some decent breakthroughs. Alright. Let's go, Kakuzu. Oh my. Alright. I guess let's start straight up onto his breakthroughs. I'm hoping to run a team with him and Madara. And this Thursday when the new events come, I'll also do kind of like an account overview of all my ninjas, my stats, my tools. And hopefully I'll get a level 10 advanced refine when the rebate comes. But for now, we're just worried about Kakuzu. Alright, I think let's get right into it. Alright, that's it. That is it. Holy. I think we got some really good breakthroughs. I got 3 golds and the other ones are +1. That is good enough for me. I did not expect to get that lucky. Alright. Jeez, I cannot believe I just did that. So I got the standard +1, so it's 4 units. The double standard on the passive. That was probably the main one I'm looking for. This, no cooldown if you have higher chakra, and then the scaling, even though it's not as strong, I will still take it. And then this, what's the difference between +1 and R1? The 3 units paralysis to 4 units ignition. I'll go for that. I already got a team ready for him. I was thinking Earth Grudge, Moderate Position 1, and Ngendo. But I guess we'll have to see. I might make a video on that, but I think we got pretty lucky today. I did not expect to get all these breakthroughs either. But yeah, on Thursday I will be doing an account review of all my stuff, and going for a level 10 refine, and hopefully I'll get it. Anyways, yeah, see you guys. And I did not expect to get this lucky.